Ireland should take a year off, return stronger and hopefully be in the top 5 for a change, according to a former member of the Israeli Eurovision delegation. Speaking after it was confirmed that RTE would not participate or air the 2026 Eurovision Song Contest while Israel will be competing, former head of press Alon Amir also said nobody really cares in Israel about countries withdrawing from Eurovision. Broadcasters from Ireland, the Netherlands, Spain and Slovenia had stated in recent months that they would not take part in the contest if Israel was involved because of its conduct in its war in Gaza, which has left 70,000 Palestinians dead. They confirmed that decision on Thursday evening. It remains to be seen how many more will follow. Ireland, which has won the competition 7 times, will now not compete. The national broadcaster of Iceland, which has never won the competition, said it would decide next week on whether to take part, having previously opposed Israel's continued inclusion. When asked whether Ireland would be missed from the contest, Mr Amir told RTÉ Radio 1's Morning Ireland, "You haven't sent a decent song in 25 years. Come on, take a year off," he said. "Think about it and return stronger, and hopefully be in the top 5 for a change. We miss the good Irish song." He said Israel is happy to participate in the Eurovision Song Contest and nobody really cares about Ireland, Slovenia and the Netherlands and Spain withdrawing. At a pivotal meeting in Geneva in Switzerland on Thursday evening, delegation members met to discuss a raft of new voting rules that are set to be introduced next year after controversy surrounding the voting process earlier this year. Delegations were asked to consider the rule changes and decide if they are sufficient to meet their concerns without having a vote on participation. In a statement on Thursday evening, the European Broadcasting Union said that members had shown clear support for reforms to reinforce trust and protect neutrality of Eurovision Song Contest, allowing all members to participate. RTE Director General Kevin Backhurst was in Geneva for the meeting, and shortly afterwards RTE issued a statement confirming it would not take part in the song contest. Unions at RTE, including SIPTU and the National Union of Journalists, had urged management to stand by their position. You can read more about this story on the Irish Independent.